One main benefit of the categorical data type is the massive reduction in memory use. This is because Pandas is now using these int8. This is the smallest, type of column that you can use, and not the object column, which is, contains strings. So we can verify this with the memory usage method. So the memory usage method by default will compute the amount of memory used. You need to set deep equal to true because these are objects. This just means that it'll make sure it accounts for all the strings in there. It doesn't assume that each object is the same amount of memory. So this is the actual memory used over here. So department is our original, right? And then we have department cat. This is our new. They have the same number of values, right? So, and again, we'll do deep equals true just in case over here. And you can see there's a substantial difference in memory. So if we just divide these two numbers, you can see that we're down, and you do 1 minus. So there's a 98.5% reduction in memory used by converting your columns to categorical. So this is a very nice, benefit that you get for changing your data from object to categorical.